We about to get started because today we're gonna be installing a small mod. I'm really upset though because my car is still down. There's supposed to be a package here, but there's not. So I can't get my car running because like I said last video, well, not last video, I'm gonna say this video. My car is down. It's down. Something went bad. I'll show you all in the next video. But today, this is what we're gonna be installing right here. Just a little LED side marker. I never done one of these, but we're gonna see what it's about. So for those of you who don't know, these are side markers right here. This has a little light in there that lights up. It looks very early 2000s, but this has just an LED strip. I hope it goes well with everything. Fun fact, I actually did want the red ones just because I think it looks a little cleaner. And I'm looking at it, I kind of like the black, to be honest though, because it goes with the little air scoop there. And I'm gonna get black, or well, carbon fiber probably, or just black side skirts. So comment down below. I don't know how I'm feeling about it yet till we get it on. But damn, look how dirty this joint is. You see that on camera? No, probably not. Hella dirty. Oh, you see it there. Well, like I said, this car is not drivable right now. I'm not sure if I can drive it or not, but let's not risk it. So, but this mod is pretty simple, something easy. These cost me like 55 bucks, I think. I got these off eBay. Little did I know, the place I should have got them off of is Vet Lights. I heard they have really good stuff. I ordered something from there. No, I'm gonna order taillights from there and a couple other things. But they have the red, they have clear, and they have black. The ones on eBay were only clear and black, which sucks. But so we're gonna have to rock with the black. Well, you just take these two screws out, pop this whole thing out, and you get your hands in here, and there's like two nuts holding this on. You twist it off, and that's all. So I guess let's get started. All right, let's get you guys in here. So I'm doing this in the daytime so you all can see. But as you see, there it is. All we're gonna do is untwist the light bulb and get those two nuts out. So good luck to me. It shouldn't be hard. I actually heard the reverse thread though, so be careful guys when you pull these out. So we're gonna find out though. Well, you see, we may or may not have had a slight mishap. The studs, they just broke off. Honestly, I think it's because this car is gonna be 20 years old. So yeah, that sucks. I'm just gonna get some pliers. Hopefully I can get them off, twist them off. I don't even see them that bad, to be honest. Maybe they'll snap off. I have no clue. How to get some new ones on. You just thread them like normal. And I guess they go on whatever video I heard where they're reverse thread. I guess it was just wrong. I'm just gonna thread that in. Oh shoot, I thought I broke that again. I just slipped off here because we bottomed it out. I'm just gonna go cautionarily, thread that on, make sure we're good here. Do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna make sure I knock the tools on your trunk. That's not smart. Just gonna go in here. Now, from what I understand, just untwist this from here, pull it out. I mean, just gonna pull it out. From what I understand, it doesn't matter which way these go in. You just plug it in here. And then you just take this, you put it back in there, almost like there's gonna be a light bulb in there. And you twist it in. Just like so. Yeah, that's in now. Boom. I'm just gonna turn the lights on the car. Yeah. All right, they work. Yeah, I like it a lot already. I don't even mind that they're black. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I take it back. So let's get this put back together and then do the other side. All right, so this side is officially done. Well, it's never done until you take that. Oh, that was satisfying. All right, guys, it's kind of hard to see. Now, let me know if you guys like the black or don't on here. I don't know, I'm gonna get different rims. I think I'm gonna go silver, and the front, the Z06 badges are coming off. I'm doing black ones. I just think it looks better. I might not though, I might leave it like that just because it's gonna look good with silver rims. I don't know if I'm gonna get aftermarket rims or rock these rims and get them de-chromed and back to stock color, or a different kind of silver. I like the way the BBS's look. Their silver looks good, so we'll see what I do. But let me know if you like the look. I'm gonna do the other side off camera because I'm sure you don't want to see it again. I'm not getting tinted taillights just because I don't think it looks that good on the blue. So, but then again, I'm doing carbon fiber spoiler, front spoiler, yeah, front splitter, rear spoiler. So I don't know, I feel like the black goes. Plus when I go carbon fiber wide body, I'm gonna keep this. So let me know, guys, down in the comments what you think. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Till next time, peace. Oh, pause. I hope that FedEx guy is coming with my parts. Never mind. He dissed me. Peace out.